again. Woo! 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 Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No, no, no. Don't you dare. No, 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 no. No! Please, I'm just an innocent little animal. I'm just eating my lunch. Sheep. Tigers eat sheep. I don't think they wear their heads though.
Kitty? Why is my A working?
Your what?
My A.
Your what, A?
My A.
I'm gonna go jump off a cliff. You can't stop me.
Yeah, I can.
Let's do the notification going.
Okay.
Oh.
Can we do the point? Take off the armor and put it back on now.
I don't want it.
That's highly inappropriate. You know that?
It's not highly inappropriate.
Yeah, you put it on girls' clothes.
No,
That's highly inappropriate.
no, it's just some iron armor and a head. That's it.
Now put
That's
the
coded in.
Well, can we just start? You're
No, they haven't. Ow! I didn't even mean to.
okay. We're playing hide and seek. Come
You
on.
have problems. No! Dang it! Why? Why do you have such a grudge against me?
Because you keep. My C isn't working.
You're what?
My C.
You're what?
My C and my A.
That's interesting. I don't care.
Ah! Look at that dog. You're gonna kill
You
me.
need to be surrounded for
Hmm.
I'm just going through.
Ah, come on! This is the second time.
This is so annoying.
I know.
I don't care anymore about this head.
Difficulty. I am so far.
I'm throwing it off a cliff. Now I'm gonna throw it into the ocean. Awesome! Destroyed the head. Dang it! I will get that head. No! No!
No, I'm kidding. Can we just start the hide and seek now?
Awesome, great. Ow! Why? Why?
Let's just start the game.
Nay, no game mode C.
This is my rule. I can do whatever I want. My C isn't working.
No.
I'm
said
trying
no.
to delete
I said
someone.
no. I said no.
I'm trying to
I
delete
said no.
someone.
I said no. I said no.
I'm
I'll
trying
deal
to.
with it for you.
No, I got it. Fine.
I already dealt with it. Hey, no! What did I even have? I'm not like, I don't like you.
I don't like you. I like you. Oh, really?
It's one-hand combat, bro. No one's gonna die. Never mind, this is stupid.
Okay, let's play hide and seek now.
Alright, I head first.
What? Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ready now, here I come. Okay, that's a little hot. I wonder where he is. I wonder where he is. I'm not just the person who gets to find it's being game mode C. Yes. Found you. Haha, found you.
Hey!
No, I found you.
Darn it! You're unfair!
Yeah, I found you.
Okay, I'll be right back.
That's how you find people.
Let's get going. Come on, let's go, 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 go. Move it, boy!
Thanks guys for watching. That's how you would.
Oh, I get my turn, you know.
Oh, come on. You can't just end right here. Okay, go up to your...
See how long it was, so we know how long it was.
I'm still recording, hello. I'm gonna kill you. This is not good. But stop it. I'm still recording.
No! Please! Anyways, I'm actually stuck here. Thanks. Apple. That's fine. I am back. This is what all this turned out to.
This is war. Stop! Can we just get to it?
Yes! Go to rival. Because I can do this to you. You kidding? Come on, spawn in. If I find you, I can shoot you with an arrow. Or I can... Not funny!
Oh my god. Oh, oh.
Not cool! You just made me lose my sword! You just killed me?
Oh, it's going to get buddy. That's your fun. Oh, come on. Stop killing me. Stop it! Let's just get to the game.
Nice job!
Okay, now get in the game. Now get starting.
Alright!
I'm going to hide. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4,
25.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Did you just call from another high place?
Yeah, I did.
Dang it! When or not, here I come. I'll find one to shoot you.
Okay.
Where the heck are you?
Hiding.
You're not pressing anything, so you can't see it. Commands allowed? Commands allowed. Okay. Can I have a hint?
No,
Yes.
no. Okay, I'm down in the mine.
Down the line. So your screen's shiny. It's not mine.
You can't see my screen.
No, your face is reflecting.
You can't see my screen.
Your face is reflecting on, like,
You're not even in the exact same room as me. We're not. Yeah, but you can't see me.
I can't.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
You hacked your face in.
I'm facing north.
What?
I'm facing north.
You're facing.
I'm facing west, actually.
You're facing craziness. Can I use a command?
No.
It's not the teleporting command.
No, no command.
Can I just use the command to go barrier?
No. No command.
You're not in the shaft, though.
What?
You're not in the shaft.
Yes, I am. Look harder. Maybe I did the ground. Did you give up yet?
You haven't digged underground.
No, look around the city. I moved.
You what?
I moved.
Are you underground?
No.
You're above ground.
Yes.
You're in the city.
Yes.
Are you near the middle flag?
I'm not telling you.
You're near the middle flag.
No.
Near the middle flag.
No.
Okay, you're near the side flags.
No.
You're near any flags.
No.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You totally are. You're lying.
No, I'm
And
not.
then the place where you're hiding, is it kind of close to them? Flags?
No.
You're lying. Liar. Liar. You're moving. You are so moving.
You give up yet?
That's it. I am done with you. What just happened? What just happened? What just happened? Oh my god. Do you give up? No. You give up? No, trick up for myself.
I can't tell you.
Wait! You're dead!
Yeah, I'm in heaven. Yeah. Oh, good. Ah.
You know what? Okay, that's it. That ain't fair. No, you're restarting and you cannot kill yourself.
Okay. Good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.